she was just standing around watching me unload this thing, so I figured I'd make her get up in there. She's taking her time, nice and easy about it.
Not gonna have yourself hit.
She looked a little worried when it tipped over the first part, but the second part she didn't really get phased. But brought the machine home. We got to do an update on the front idlers. Weak. Gotta put some new ones up there. But other than that, this machine pretty much kills it.
That machine, the way it sits right there, weighs 21,000 pounds. I thought it weighed less than 20, but that is Texas Pride trailer I had. It's 20 plus 5 and is two 15K axles on it. Dexters, I've had a little issues with the axles. Wheel seals kept leaking, but truck is a 2008 5500. It does G56 transmission, so it's a manual, and it 444 gears. It tows pretty good. I didn't want to stop on any hills, but I have towed heavier than that, and truck, it does pretty freaking good. But I'm gonna help her move this thing. Pull back and roll this thing forward. Makes you go a little bit faster. All right, there you go. Huh? She's fine. Keep going. All right, no generic YouTube intro on this video. We're just gonna go straight into what my project is for today. I bought this trailer a year and a half ago, and one of the first things I did is I put a winch on it. It is built if I can see if we can see it here. Just a receiver hitch, and then I built a platform for my winch to sit on. Nice and simple, so I can take it out and I can put it up on the front in my ranch hand bumper if I need to swap it around. But I've only used it twice, maybe 3 times, for pulling a couple pickups up on the trailer. And it flexed a little bit right here because this is factory piece, and then I put this on there. That's 3/8 flat bar by about 4 inches. Pretty good and thick, but it's got some leverage working against it, so it's twisting with a load on it. And tomorrow I'm about to pick up something it's pretty heavy, and it's going to have machines to help me get it on there. And so I need to make sure this thing is not going to twist and flex and possibly bend, because it's just a 12K electric winch, and what I'm going to pull up weighs more than that, but it's just a little sister. So what I've done is got a nice piece of angle iron. We're going to weld here, ground that down. And this is that undercoat stuff that I sprayed on here, and for some reason that stuff turned gray. But it's still nice and thick, and haven't seen any rusting out of it. But we'll go ahead and weld this stuff on there, and hopefully tomorrow she works out nice and smooth. I missed a spot up there at the top, so I had to redo that one. Where's this weld at? How does she look? That'll play. I didn't have much of a groove. I should have grooved that a little bit more, so my wire feed was a little high for that one, but she's nice and hot. This one over here's, I had to gap that one just a little bit. I gotta clean those up down in there. Got that slag all over them. We got something. Oh, we got one up there to clear up. That'll work. Sucker ain't going nowhere. Got welds up underneath there. That'll work.